Right, so it's been a couple of days anyhow, but I just wanted to take this apart finally. I think that was the last coat we'll see, but you can see this became a real mess. And some of this stuff, who knows what's going to happen here. Well, that came off. Well, they don't call it epoxy for nothing, huh? Well, look at that. This is a lose-lose, you know. It's going to really be nice when it's done, but wow, has this been a bear. So anyways, that's where she's at. One more cleanup on the bottom, and then I think I'm done. I've got a nice thick layer right here, so if I can get that tape off of there, even if I can't, it's not the end of the world. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So I just have to get rid of that, and then we basically have a top, finally. I'm gonna do the same things I did before to get the bottom cleaned. I gotta get those little chips off of there. I'm just gonna use this guy. All right, so that actually turned out really well. And again, you know, I don't use this for project or for construction anymore. I used to, right? But it's nice to have it around. Really handy for solving that problem, because I got rid of all the tape, the blue tape, except for inside the hole there, of course, right? But I got a nice smooth finish on it, and it didn't ruin the machine. Then again, I've got my nice little layer right there, plus the blue is gone. So then when we look down through there, that's what we're seeing. And I could do another pour on this if I wanted. I'm done pouring this thing. This thing's going to be put to use now instead. So all I need to do is later, I'll put a coat of varnish on the bottom here just to protect that surface. But other than that, we're ready to go.